I have a FS38 whippersnipper, and the head fell off again. I'm gonna tell you what the problem is with these units. Is this nut is just pressed on the shaft, and when they start to loosen, it'll spin on the shaft, ruin the shaft, heat up. It'll melt your hole here, your hex, to ruin your cutter head. What you have to do is, I drilled a 2mm hole in it, and I pinned it with just a split pin. Put it there, drill a 2mm hole first, and then put the spin in. And then what happens, this circlip groove here wears out. Just if you have a lathe, just put another groove in it a little deeper. That's what I did. So this one's ready to go. Put back together. You can buy these bearing units at the dealership. They're not that bad in price, so you can either fix it or buy a new one. Okay, thanks for watching.